Hello everyone, I'm Mahi here, and in this video we'll see what is Python and the other features of it. So the outline of this video will be we'll see what is Python, difference between the program and scripting languages, a brief history of Python, scope of Python, why do people use Python, and last, how can we install Python IDE. So as general we know Python is a general purpose programming language. It is also known as a scripting language, and we also call it as interpreted languages. Then what it is also a high level language as we all know it, as it has a easy to understand syntax. Followed by we'll see the difference between program versus the scripting. Program. Program is executed, that is the source is first compiled and the result of the compilation is expected. A program is generally a sequence of instructions written so that the computer can perform the certain task. And what is scripting? Script is a interpreted. A script is a code written in a scripting language. A scripting language is nothing but a type of programming language in which we can write code to control another application or another software. So this is a brief difference between the program and the scripting. We'll see a brief history of Python. It was invented in the 90s by Guido van Rossum, and from the start of the history of Python, it has always have been an open source. It was named after Monty Python, and Python was conceived in the late 1980s, and its implementation was started in December 1989. So this is a brief history of Python. So where is the Python used now? What is the scope of Python? It is very widely used for data science, web application development, testing scripts, machine learning models, and so on. Why do we people prefer Python? Because it is object oriented, and indentation is a very much useful feature of Python. Object oriented in the sense structure support such as concept of polymorphism, operation overloading, and multiple Next we'll see why do people use Python, why Python is preferred. The very first thing, Python is object oriented, which means structure support such as concept of polymorphism, operations overloading, and multiple inheritance. Secondly, indentation. Indentation is one of the greatest features in Python, and open source. Downloading and installing and using the Python is free and easy. Source code is easily accessible also. Hence, it is preferred than other languages. It is also very powerful and dynamic. It is easy to understand syntax. It's powerful because it has dynamic typing, built-in types and tools. It has library utilities. We have a third-party libraries such as numeric, NumPy, SciPy, and etc. And it also has automatic memory management. It is portable. What do we mean by portable now? Portable in the sense it can run virtually in any major platform today. As long as you have a compatible Python interpreter installed, Python program will run in exactly as the same manner irrespective of platform. Hence it is portable too. It's easy to learn because the structure and syntax are pretty much intuitive and easy to grasp. It's like understanding a normal and high level language. Hence Python is preferred. So as you can see on the screen, this is the example syntax of Python. Here I'm declaring a variable a and assigning a value 1, and then declaring a variable b and assigning a value 2, and I'm declaring one more variable c and then a plus b, and then I'm writing print c. So what will be the answer? The answer is 3. So it's so simple by adding two numbers or two variables in Python. Hence, it is very much preferred and easy to understand and easy to learn. And according to the outline, next we have how can we install Python. To install Python, all we need to do is go to the Chrome or web browser, search Python, go to the official website of the Python. You can see here downloads, you can click on a downloads. And here you have the latest version of Python, that is 3.8.2. So according to your platform, either you're a Windows user or a Linux or Unix or Mac OS or other, you can select the platform and install or download the latest version. Or if you want to download the previous version, you can get back here and then check out the previous versions also. You can download the previous versions also from here. Once downloaded, all you need to do is just install and you're ready to go. So this is how we can install Python, and it's pretty easy to do with. But in our tutorial, we'll not show or will not be using the normal Python IDE. Instead, we'll use other platform, online platform, so that it is independent of everyone who has a powerful PC or a less weaker PC having a less processing power. So keeping in mind, we are going to use online platform to do the same. Now, who uses Python? Python is also used, like Python is very much widely used by many of the big players around there. For example, you have Google uses Python for to web search, extensive web search. Intel uses Python. Intel, Cisco uses Python for hardware testing. YouTube uses Python for video sharing service and is largely written in Python language. So and etc. So these are the few to mention who use Python. So what next? As we know what is Python, history of Python, scope, why do we people use it, how can we install it and get started with it, and we also saw the big players and the big tech giants who uses Python, and also we saw a syntax of the Python. It's pretty easy to understand and get started with it. So this is a very pretty good programming language which is very much widely used for data science also. Hence we are going to use this Python as our base language for this complete course. So in the next video, we'll see and get started with the concepts of Python and all the required things what we need for data analysis and data science. We'll learn one by one in every coming video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. That would mean a lot. If you have any comments, please write down in the comment sections below. Hoping to see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.